Hey guys, it's Tara. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be swatching these 12 glorious cream polishes from Gellen, as well as giving y'all a more in-depth review of the Sun 5 lamp that came in this massive kit at the tail end of this video. So please stick around and keep on watching. If you missed my original video, I did an unboxing. I'll put a link to that up here. I did an unboxing video. You literally get a metric bleep ton of products in this box. You also get 12 different polishes. Let me just grab a few more to show you guys. Yes, I'm going to be swatching these. But before I jump in here, I do have two very, very angry nails. I apologize. They're just really mad. They're really mad at me. I hope this one, I feel like this one might give me like the most trouble, because obviously an index finger is going to be helpful in, you know, grabbing my polish wands. I also, in the kit, received a base, a top, and a matte. I will not be using the base coat in this swatch today. I'm just going to swatch all of these, and I'm also going to use this nice, fabulous lamp. I'm really excited. So let's jump on in. And of course, on my very first swatch, I go to grab my brush and can't pick it up. Yep. Oop, struggling already. Struggling right out the gate. So I'm just going to pop on here. First of all, I'm going to show this very first swatch in real time. I'm not going to show y'all me curing both coats on every, on all 12 polishes, but I am just going to show this very first one in real time and just also give y'all a few notes that I wasn't able to include in the opening of this video. So unfortunately, this kit, last night I went to grab the link from Amazon, and because I'm going to pop that down in the description box below. The kit that I purchased is called the Nude Grays. They're like a lot of neutral colors in this kit. Unfortunately, those 12 polishes are not available, but there are still two kits on the Amazon website that have different colors. One kit has a group of gorgeous pastels. Those would be beautiful for spring and summer. And then another kit that is also wine, reds, browns, sort of a thing. And also, since I'm not using a base coat on these pop sticks, and nor have I buffed the surface of them, the first coat looks like it's a bit patchy on camera. But I fully believe that if I had given the first coat something to grab onto, it would have made a bit of a difference on that first coat. But I only needed 2 coats of each polish to reach full opacity, and they were all super beautiful and super creamy and super opaque. So just know that if you are applying these polishes over your natural nails, please make sure that you give them a light buff to remove the shiny surface, and of course use a base coat, because gel polishes just need something to cling to. So that sort of does it for the news and notes portion of my little voiceover. Stick around to the tail end, because I am going to be giving y'all a full review of this lamp. I've been using it for a few weeks now. I don't know if something's wonky or if I'm not understanding something. I don't know. Stick around till the tail end. Watch the full review if you don't mind. And if you have suggestions for your girl here, please drop them in the comments below, because I struggle a little bit. So kick back, enjoy the beats, and I will see y'all at the end. guys, let's talk about this lamp quickly. I have been using it for a couple of weeks. It definitely cures the way it's supposed to. Back here is where your adapter plugs in. The LCD does turn off. Now I'm gonna put the instructions right here in front of you guys, and let's talk about this quickly. Let's see. It says LCD screen is off when the power switch is on. It's not off. It's on. It's just not going, obviously. Touch the relevant button to set the relevant time. All right. I'm hoping this is going to focus. The LCD screen is on. So yes, if I touch 10 seconds, it's going to count down from 10, like no matter what. Press your time, basically 10, 30, 60, or your half power. Again, is this focused, or are my eyeballs just getting even worse? Okay, so here's where I'm a little bit, okay, so it says the infrared sensor will automatically start when the hand goes in, which it does, okay. Okay, hang on. My dog's out of control, and so is my husband, obviously. All right, sorry. I don't even know if y'all could have heard that in the background, but my husband was in the other room getting the dog all wound up. Okay, so it says the infrared sensor will automatically start when hands get into the machine and automatically shut down when the timer finishes or the hands are leaving. So again, yes, there are sensors here. The thing that sort of threw me off about this, the last button I pushed was the 10-second, button. So in my mind, this should be set for 10 seconds. So when I stick my hand in here, you would think after 10 seconds, it would automatically shut off. And it does not. So basically what I have to do is every time I want to cure, either for 10, 30, 60 seconds, I have to stick my hand in and then press it, and then press the time button, and then it counts down from whatever time it is. Now, if I pull my hand out, it's going to keep going. So the buttons are a little bit weird for me because I'm basing my opinion off of the only other full-size lamp that I own, which is a Melody Susie. You push your time button, stick your hand in there, the lamp's going to turn itself off once it reaches, its time limit. So the thing that's throwing me off is that every time I want to cure for just 10, 30, 60, whatever the time may be, I have to stick my hand in and then push the button. I don't know if this is standard. Again, I only have one other full-size lamp. I do highly, highly recommend this entire Gellen kit because you do get a massive old lamp and you do get 12 polishes. So let's go ahead and talk about the polishes. I did go ahead and top coat these off camera just so that I could get these properly labeled, as well as onto a swatch ring. Let me bring y'all in just a little bit. I did top coat with their, as you saw, their glossy top coat and their matte top coat. Honestly, these polishes cure phenomenally. Usually when I have to wipe off my inhibition layer, I have some of the pigment on my little wipe. I wiped down all 12 of these. Y'all, not a single little spot of pigment on my wipe. All right, I'm going to get these on a pop swatch ring real quick, and I'll be right back. All right, guys, so one final note about the lamp. There is no on-off switch, so I do highly recommend that you unplug the adapter, the power cord from the back of the unit. That will completely shut down the LCD display. Obviously, there's no power. Otherwise, if you just leave it plugged in, your little LCD display is going to stay lit up all the time. And I think it does say somewhere in here, because God knows I have read this thing a million times, unplug the adapter when leaving. It says right under the cautions. But yeah, these colors are absolutely stunning. They're absolutely stunning. There is not a dud in the whole group. Beautiful for fall. I'm also sort of picturing a lot of beautiful, like, wintertime manis, some snowflakes, maybe some little, I don't know, little polar bears, little snowmen's, Think about all the plaid manis you could be doing for this fall. Everything that a person would need to get started with doing gels at home is in this kit, and then some. The kit itself is just amazing. Again, these polishes, they are highly pigmented. They cure absolutely beautifully. I don't have anything at all negative to say about these polishes or the kit. Let's just run through the sizes again. The base and top coat are 10 mil each. The matte top coat is 8 mil. Whoops, wherever I am over here, 8 mil. And then each of the 12 polishes are 6 mil. So again, leave me a comment down below. Let me know if you have used, if you have used Gellen before. If you own any of their products, let me know what you think about them. Other than just like the timing, I guess, on the lamp, I can live with that. I don't care if I just have to push the time button every time I use it. So be it. Yeah, so that's it. Let me know what you guys think. I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.